In Brussels, bleak weather to match the angry mood. The dispute over vaccines is not blowing over, and today Europe announced plans for a transparency mechanism. That's a handy euphemism for having more control over authorising exports of vaccine. And that means a ban on vaccines moving freely between the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland, raising the spectre of border controls less than a month after Brexit talks came to an end. Officials here deny it's a precursor to blocking vaccine exports, but it is clearly a warning.
The challenges we now face left us with no other choice but to act. The aim is to provide us immediately with full transparency, transparency that until now has been lacking and what Europeans expect. And if needed, it also will provide us with a tool to ensure vaccine deliveries. The Commission has adopted a strictly targeted measure that will allow us to gather accurate information about the production of vaccines and where manufacturers intend to ship them.
And now the pressure is more intense. The Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has been authorised for use around Europe.
We now have 3 vaccines that have been developed and recommended for approval against a disease that we did not know 1 year ago. None of them is perfect. None of them is a magic wand on its own, but together they provide tools and options to prevent different aspects of the disease.
The question is, how many doses of this vaccine Europe will now get? The number it ordered, or the number that AstraZeneca says it can supply? The company adamant it's acted in good faith.
We have millions of doses that we are ready to start shipping to the EU over the next few days and weeks. So you know, we have quite a substantial quantity already to ship to the various countries, and we're working 24/7 to increase this capacity.
And at the heart of this rancorous row is this, the 41-page contract between AstraZeneca and the European Commission. Now, in this, there are details about UK factories involved in the European supply line, but there are also bits that are very vaguely worded. The truth is, both sides will use this document to support their own argument. So will it resolve the row? No chance. Europe's vaccine rollout has generally been far more sluggish than the UK. And for all its political clout, Brussels is no exception.
We have the delays and it's really not going fast enough.
I can't say that I feel proud with the European response.
I think, of course, they are unforeseen situations and that maybe they are not going as fast as they would like to, but they are trying to do their best.
Vaccines have become a precious and political commodity with the power to save lives and clearly the potential to cause very profound arguments. Adam Parsons, Sky News, Brussels.